Hi, dear teachers, my dear students, and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the active voice and the passive voice. Generally, if you take one sentence which is in interrogative form, how to change that interrogative sentence into passive voice? We need to know very clearly regarding this. The sentence which is in the active voice and in interrogative form. How to change this active voice which is in interrogative form into passive voice? For example, do you eat mango? This is the sentence. This is an interrogative sentence. How can we say that? The sentence starts with capital letter and ends with question mark. This is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is also called interrogative sentence. Do you eat mango? This is the interrogative sentence under active voice. Here, while changing active voice into passive voice, we need to find the subject, the verb and the object from the given statement. Here, let us find these three parts of the sentence from the given statement. What is the subject in that given statement? You, you is the subject. Do eat is the verb. Mango is the object. Here, do you eat mango? This sentence has these three parts so that this sentence is in active voice and in interrogative form. Now, how to change this sentence into passive voice? If the sentence which is in the active voice in interrogative form, in the same way, we should have the same interrogative form in passive voice also. If you don't know how to change the interrogative sentence which is in active voice into passive voice at a stretch, we need to apply some steps here. First of all, let us change the given interrogative statement which is in the simple present into assertive sentence. Do you eat mango? How to change it? You eat mango. Subject, verb, object. This is assertive sentence. You eat mango. This sentence is ended with full stop. You subject, eat verb, the first form of the verb, and mango is the object. You eat mango. Here, according to the rules that we have known regarding passive voice, we need to apply here. You eat mango. Mango is eaten by you. This is passive form. Okay, here active voice and passive voice, these two events are in the assertive form. Okay, the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with the full stop. While changing active voice which is in the interrogative form into passive voice, first of all we need to change the given interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Then active voice will be formed. Later we need to change the given assertive sentence which is in the active voice into passive voice. That next what we have to do? The question has been asked in the interrogative form, so that we need to change the given statement into interrogative form itself in passive voice. Then what will be the answer? Do you eat mango? Step 1. You eat mango. Step 2. Mango is eaten by you. In step 3, if you place the helping verb before the subject, question will be formed in the passive voice. Is mango eaten by you? Question mark. This is the passive voice. For good and all, what is the answer for the given statement which is in the active voice and in interrogative form? Do you eat mango? Is mango eaten by you? In such a way you should say the answer in passive form. Okay, let us take some more examples which are related to 8 types of tenses, such as simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Okay, let us see those examples very obviously. Do you eat mango? Is mango eaten by you? Next. Did you eat mango? Was mango eaten by you? Will you eat mango? Will mango be eaten by you? Are you eating mango? Is mango being eaten by you? Were you eating mango? Was mango being eaten by you? Have you eaten mango? Has mango been eaten by you? Had you eaten mango? Had mango been eaten by you? Will mango have eaten by you? Will you have eaten mango? Then will mango have been eaten by you? Will you have eaten mango? Will mango have been eaten by you? That is future perfect tense. Once again, let us see the future perfect tense. How to change the sentence which is in the future perfect tense and in active voice into passive form. Okay, will you have eaten mango? Will mango have been eaten by you? In such a way, we can create number of examples according to the given tenses, okay, which are to be changed from active voice into passive voice. Okay, the tenses which can be changed from active voice into passive voice can be changed by applying the rules of passive voice. Okay, in such a way we have to remember how to change interrogative active voice into interrogative passive voice. Okay, in my next session I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.